Today, I'll show you how to add a Gmail account to Outlook. If you want to check your Gmail inside Microsoft Outlook, the good news is that Outlook supports Gmail directly. Microsoft's official support says you can add a Gmail account from the Add Account option in Outlook, then continue through Google's Sign In and Permission screen. Google also confirms that Gmail can be added to other email clients like Outlook, with messages and labels syncing through IMAP. To begin, open Outlook on your computer. If you're using Outlook for Windows, Microsoft says you can go to View Settings or Account Info, then Open Accounts and choose Add Account. In some Outlook versions, you may simply see File, then Add Account. Enter your Gmail address and click Continue or Connect. On Outlook for Mac, Microsoft says you open Outlook, then Settings, then Accounts. Click the plus button and choose Add an Account. After that, Outlook should open a Google Sign-In window. Sign in with your Gmail address and password, then review the permissions screen and click Allow. Microsoft's setup guide says this Google approval step is part of the normal connection process, and once you allow it, Outlook can begin syncing your Gmail mail and other supported data. Now here's something important to remember. Google recommends using Gmail and other email apps through its supported setup flow, and current Outlook versions normally handle the Gmail connection automatically. In most cases, you do not need to type manual server settings yourself. Google's official Gmail help says Gmail syncs with other email clients, and Microsoft's current instructions focus on the sign-in flow rather than manual setup. If Outlook does not connect properly, Microsoft has also published a troubleshooting article for cases where Gmail will not add correctly in classic Outlook. That can involve removing old Google access for Microsoft apps and clearing saved credentials before trying again. So, the easiest way is simple. Open Outlook, choose Add Account, enter your Gmail address, sign in through Google, and approve the connection. After that, your Gmail account should appear in Outlook and begin syncing your email. And that's how to add a Gmail account to Outlook. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.